So welcome students. In this question you're given 4 options. 1 minus 2 sine square alpha by 2 cot pi by 4 plus alpha into cos square of pi by 4 minus alpha. So you have 3 other options. And you're asked to find which of the following when simplified leads to unity. So which of the following when simplified leads to 1 as the answer. So I need to consider each option and try to simplify it and see whether you're getting 1 as the answer or not. So let me go to the first option. So 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. So what is the formula for 1 minus 2 sine square alpha? Cos 2 alpha, right? So the first option simplifies to, the numerator simplifies to cos 2 alpha divided by 2 times cot is nothing but cos by sine. So cos of pi by 4 plus alpha divided by sine of pi by 4 plus alpha into cos square of pi by 4 minus alpha, that is cos pi by 4 minus alpha into cos pi by 4 minus alpha. So that is equal to, so this sin pi by 4 plus alpha is in the denominator of the denominator, so it goes up. So cos 2 alpha sin pi by 4 plus alpha divided by, so you have 2 times. So this formula looks like, these 2 terms looks like cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So with 2 it becomes 2 cos a cos b. So what is 2 cos a cos b? 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, right? So if I include this 2 with this 2 terms, so I get cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos of, what is the sum of these two? Pi by 4 plus alpha plus pi by 4 minus alpha. Alpha and alpha gets cancelled. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2. Right? So 2 cos a cos b is cos a plus b plus cos of a minus b. If you subtract this, pi by 4 gets cancelled. Alpha minus of minus alpha is 2 alpha. Times cos of pi by 4 minus alpha. So cos pi by 2 is 0. So this becomes cos 2 alpha times sin pi by 4 plus alpha divided by cos 2 alpha into cos pi by 4 minus alpha can be written as sin of pi by 2 minus of pi by 4 minus alpha. So cos 2 alpha gets cancelled. So pi by 2 minus of pi by 4 is pi by 4, minus of minus is plus. This is same as sin of pi by 4 plus alpha. So these two are also getting cancelled. So you're getting 1 as the answer. So option 1 is right. So now let us go to the second option. So option B. So sin of pi minus alpha. Pi minus lies in the second quadrant. So sin of pi minus alpha is sin alpha divided by sin alpha minus cos alpha into tan alpha by 2 is sin alpha by 2 by cos alpha by 2 plus cos of pi minus alpha. Pi minus lies in the second quadrant. So cos of pi minus alpha is minus cos alpha. So now if you take the LCM here and send the denominator up, so you get sin alpha cos alpha by 2 divided by, take the LCM, sin alpha cos alpha by 2 minus cos alpha sin alpha by 2 minus cos alpha. So that is equal to, so now in this denominator you see sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, which is sin of a minus b. Sin of alpha minus alpha by 2 is sin alpha by 2. So the denominator is sin alpha by 2. So in the numerator you have 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 divided by, in the denominator this simplifies to sin alpha by 2 minus cos alpha. Sin alpha by 2 and sin alpha by 2 gets cancelled. So 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus cos alpha is not equal to 1. This does not simplify to 1. So option B is not right. Next, if you go to option C. So 1 minus 4 sin square alpha cos square alpha. This is nothing but 2 sin alpha cos alpha whole square, right? 2 sin alpha cos alpha whole square or sin 2 alpha whole square. So 1 by sin square of 2 alpha plus 1 minus tan square alpha by whole square by 4 tan alpha whole square. This can be written as 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 tan alpha whole square. 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 tan alpha whole square. So this looks like 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. This looks like the reciprocal of tan 2 theta formula. This is a formula for 1 by tan 2 theta. It is 1 by sine square 2 alpha plus 1 by tan square 2 alpha. That is cosecant square of 2 alpha plus cot square of 2 alpha. Cosecant square minus cot square will be equal to 1, but cosecant square plus cot square is not equal to 1. So this also is wrong. So now if you go to option D, 1 plus sine 2 alpha by sine alpha plus cos alpha whole square. If you expand this, sine alpha plus cos alpha whole square is sine square alpha plus cos square alpha, which is 1, plus 2 sine alpha cos alpha is sine 2 alpha. So these two are getting cancelled. You're getting 1 as the answer. So this is also unity. So options A and D are the right options to this question. Thank you.